You want what you gonna do?
Hey, I'm Peter,
Hey, I'm Ryan.
and we're going to teach you how to make a solution out of water.
And salt.
Now, first off, our materials. We have distilled water, we have a volumetric flask, we have a balance, and we have our salt. Alright, now let's get started.
Wait, but before we can start, we need our safety equipment, like our lab coats.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Caught it.
Now the hard part is putting it on.
Yeah, you always have to put your right hand
And goggles.
in. Goggles. Yeah.
Alright,
Gotta make sure they fit too.
now let's actually get started. So we want 0.25 molar salt solution, okay? So, well, how do we find that? We have molarity is equal to moles over liters of solvent. We want 0.25 molar solution, so we're gonna have 0.25 moles of salt and 1,000 milliliters of solvent. Well, we don't really want to do it at that big of a scale, so we'll scale it down and we'll do a proportion so that we have 250 milliliters of solvent. We do that and we get 0.0625 moles of salt. But that's not the end. We're going to go to Ryan to figure out what we have to do next.
So after we get our 0.0625 moles of salt, and then we multiply it by the molar mass of NaCl or sodium, and we get 3.6525 grams of salt. And that's how much we need to put in to make our solution.
Alright, so now let's actually start the experiment. So we need, as we said, 3.6525 grams of salt. But in our case, our balance isn't quite that accurate, so we'll round it off to 3.65 grams. So we'll let Ryan balance it out real quick. That's about 3.65 grams. We're gonna get as close as possible. So now we're gonna actually make our solution. Well, you pour that into our volumetric flask. Alright, now there's a line right here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that marks 250 milliliters. So that's where we're going to fill our volumetric flask with distilled water, not any kind of water, distilled. And just pour it down the side so you make sure you get everything.
This might take a while.
It might take a while too. A little bit, one more drop. Okay, so now we're gonna put the stopper, and Ryan, will you mix it? Mix it up. Go. And there is
Your salt water solution.